Hey guys, and I'm back with another video. And also I wish you guys a Merry Christmas and sorry for the late wishes. And so today in this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make a cool running animation like this. So I'm sure you guys are familiar with this Naruto style running animation. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so let's get started. Go into startup layer, then go into inside of starter character scripts, and then in, inside a local script. So the script local script should be inside starter character scripts, and then let's start writing our code. Okay, so now what we have done is that first we have made a variable to get the twin service. The twin service is needed to like change the field of view. So like when we press shift or another key, so like we want the field of view to be like larger, like the like getting bigger like that. So UIS is referencing to the user input service to check whether if like this service is needed to like check whether if play to check whether which key is player pressing. So and then this is a player referencing part. Then we get the camera in here, and so let's continue our code. So let's start by making a variable to the field of view. So like you could like make it so like most people um like the like changing the field of view, and most people don't like. And so we could put in a variable, putting it in a variable. So like if you want the variable, if you want the field of view to be active, you could set this to true, and if you don't want the field of view, you could change it to false. Okay, so let's start by so in here you could put any key you like. So in my choice, I'll put the left shift to make the character run. So left left shift like that. Okay, so now in this is the function that we're gonna so and also we're gonna like copy this whole part. Wait, copy this whole part and then just paste it right below like this. So and then change this input began to input ended. So like we need to check when the player is holding the key, and when he like when the player is like when the player release the key. Yeah, so it's like when the player is pressing the button, then this function is working, and then when the player releases the button, then the function will stop like that. So let's continue. You could like always check whether is if everything is working. So we could check whether if everything is working, like in the print statement, like uh, pressed, and we could just copy and paste the same thing here. uh, Released, and let's go and try whether it works. So when we press the shift button, it should say pressed, and then when we release the button, it should say released. Okay, no, so and then go into my go into view, and then enable the output thingy. And then when I press shift, as you could see, it outputs as pressed, and then if I release the shift button, it says released, like that. So it works fine. So now let's continue the code. Okay, so I'll be going by step in, like I'll first make a character run fast, and then I'll be adding the animation like that. So you guys not confuse the whole step. So okay, so start typing by humanoid dot, and remember to write the specific letters in capital letters to make sure you don't get any errors. So you could change the max speed. I mean, so this is the value which we want the player to run when we press the shift button. You could change this to whatever you like. I'll be changing it to 34. And yeah, and then next, if the field of view is true, then we're gonna make the field of view like change. So to do that, we need to first create a twin service, type by ts the variable we named, create, then camera, comma, twin info, and then put no wait twin info.new, yeah, sorry, and then put 0.5. 0.5 is like the duration in which the field of view changes, so I'll put it to 0.5. You could put it to whatever you like. So then comma over here, then put a curly bracket, right? Is this what you call this? Yeah, put that bracket, and then field of view equals to, and so now we are making our field of view larger, so like let's put it as 90, like that. And then let's so now we have done the first part, so now we have to do the same thing to like for this to this one also. So like copy this part from humanoid to this part, and then paste it in here. So now in this time we had to put it to 16, because in the normal walk speed, the default walk speed, the walking speed is 16, so put it to 16. So and also this make this field of view to 70. I think that's our default field of view. Yeah. So now as you could see, once the player presses the shift button, the player's walk speed will be 34, and then the field of view will be 90. And likewise, as you could see, now let's head and try. Okay, and now as I press shift, as you can see, the field of view is not changing and something's wrong. Wait, let me see. Field of view is no property named for we. Wait, they say it says nothing as field of view. Wait. Oh, sorry. It's my problem. You shouldn't write FOV in here. You should write focal field of view, the in word. Okay, go into your script, and then you should write field of view, not just the short term. The FOV was the variable which we used to check whether if it's true or not. So write field of view like that, then copy and paste it in here. And now let's go and try. Okay, now if I press shift, okay, it's still not working for some reason. What could it? Wait, wait. Let me go to script. Field of view. Oh yeah. I'm so stupid. I forgot to play the thing. Okay, so going to after the twin service done, and I play like that. We don't play the twin unless it won't work. Yeah, like that. Sorry about that. And now if I press shift button, as you could see, the field of view changes and the work speed is, this is a normal speed and this is a normal field of view. And if I press shift, as you could see, the field of view gets enlarged and the working speed is higher, like that. So now let's make the animation. You guys could stop this if you stop at this point if you guys don't need the animation, and if you guys need the animation, continue watching the video. So now let's start by making the animation. So going to plugins, and then you could either make it by the um, animation editor. I'll be using the moon animator. So first of all, go and insert a character, any character. So by the way, forgot to mention this. This whole thing only works for. You could make it for R6 or R15. Anything works. So in my case, I'll be using R16. You could use R6. And then yeah. So I'll take a template of R16 character. Okay, so let's head over to the animation editor or moon editor. Now I'll be start by making my animation. Okay, so now after you're done your animation, put it to repeat, and then as you can see, this is how my animation seems to be. So you could make your own style of animation, but I prefer making the Naruto style animation like that. And then also be sure to go into your animation priority, and then make it to a movement like that. And then yeah, then go and click save. Naruto. run like that. Okay, no, it's saved. So you guys could also make it in the animation normal one. So once you made the animation, and then go into Naruto run, and then go ahead and save it to Roblox, and then copy the ID, and then go into local script again, and then now we're gonna put the ID to our local script. um, we should not only paste this, like like a URL thing, so go go ahead and go anywhere and just press plus, and then like insert the animation object, like go anywhere and then press it, and then insert the animation object, and then just paste your ID there, then click enter, and then after click enter you'll see the animation ID with like kind of a URL like that, as you could see. So and then copy this one, copy the whole part, and then paste it in here. um, yeah, with the inverted commas like that. So as I said, like go into anyway, to anything, and then like insert a animation object, and then paste your ID here. Then after when you press enter, after pressing enter, you will get this thing like this, and then copy with this one. Okay, and then now let's delete this one, we don't need that. Okay, so now after you're done pressing your ID, now okay, and now go in the function in here, and then put animation like right beneath the walk speed. So like type play anim, play like that, and then copy the same thing, and then put it in here, and then make it as stop like that. And so now let's go and try our thing. Okay, so and now as you can see, well, if I press shift, and then the animation starts working, as you can see. Yeah, so now yeah, and also you guys will see, if I press the shift button like without running, then the animation will still work. So this is really a problem, like like I'm not pressing the W button, or like it's when I just press shift without running, just simply accurate. So you don't need this thing, so let's fix it quickly. Go into your code, and then right above this one, so go go here, and then copy this, select this from here to here, from the humanoid to the end of the from humanoid to here, and then cut that part, and then write if humanoid dot direction, yeah, no, movement, direction, dot magnitude, magnitude less than no greater than 0, then and then paste the code, the code which we copy. And now as you could see, the animation and the working thing, I mean the animation will and then the whole code will only work if only the player moves. So let's yeah, so we don't need to copy this part in here because we don't need that in there. So yeah, so now let's go and try our code. And now if I press shift while running, something's wrong. If you might move direction to magnitude, what's wrong? Oh yeah, this is not movement, it should be only move. Wait, sorry, stop the game first. just just move, not movement, only move, like that. And let's go and hit play. Okay, and now let's shift while running, and then let's press the shift while staying still. And as you could see, nothing happens even though I press the shift multiple times, and then this thing pop-ups. No, okay, so and yeah, that's it for this video, and I guess I'll see you next video. Bye bye.